So this is like a pretty decent number of people here. All right, well, that's fine. We probably can like go ahead and start. My name is Brent Weinberg. I'm one of the second-year neuroradiology fellows, like one of the clinical instructors. I've worked with some of you guys. We're like around the reading room, like when you guys come on neuro, like if you go to UCIC or Mission Bay or here, we'll see you guys around. Like sometimes we're attendings, so we'll sign you guys off. Sometimes we're fellows. It's like it's a netherworld where you're sort of like a fellow when it benefits the institution, and you're a faculty when it benefits the institution. So they told me about this lecture, like at first they said it was going to be only first and second years, and then they later retracted and said, no, it should be geared towards first and second years, but it will be, so can you guys tell me like who's a first year? All right, and what other years are you guys?
Second, third.
Okay, great. Well, this, all right, perfect. So this is like, yeah, that's perfect. So I put together a lecture that's like pretty, it's like a Friday noon lecture, all right? It's like pretty simple, it's like pretty straightforward. The amount of radiologic content that is in this lecture is slim, but the amount of real life experience that maybe I can impart on you from this lecture maybe is high. So I hope you take something away from it more about like how to gauge your career, especially like for first year residents who like just got here. They've no doubt been bombarded with like all sorts of like stuff. And because I was thinking about this, and I can make a lecture that has like subdural hematomas and cervical spine fractures or whatever, but there's plenty of other people who will do that, and you'll get exposure to that. But I'll try to impart like a little bit more. This will be like a more general lecture, and I'll give you like some more sort of advice like as we go along. And I'll try to give you cases like from my career that kind of go along with that. So this lecture, this picture, it's like from a Wikipedia page. I can't really tell you what Wikipedia page it is without maybe getting fired, but we're going to call this basic neuroradiology. And that is from the Wikipedia page. There's also like a really funny YouTube video, like as I was preparing for this, it's a YouTube video called How to Know If You're Basic. I advise you guys go back to your reading room, or when you get home that you guys check that out. So this is a picture. This is like a little bit of what I hope to do. This is from Back to the Future 2, I guess. And this is like old Biff Tannen, and he's coming back from the future to tell young Biff Tannen, he's like trying to give him some advice. And he brings like this sports almanac. And I'm thinking like as I was making this, like if I could go back in time, like and I could give myself like great advice, like what would I do? So I changed it to a radiology almanac there. Sports, I will not be able to help you guys at all. McFly's like in the back, like just peering over. And I'll try to give you guys some advice. So the way I've structured this is like kind of 10 things that I sort of wish I knew when I started. And like I said, it's going to be general. Like this is general, not life advice, but radiology advice. And I'll give you some cases, like I said, from my career, some mistakes that have been made. Not all of them are neuroradiology, but many of them are. The principles are kind of applicable to other areas of radiology as well.